You guys hear that noise? I'm on a flight back to Dallas. I pray all goes well. This is nobody knows what the noise is. They say they're checking it out. This is at the gate. Reminds me of Dumb and Dumber. Remember the scene where Jim Carrey says, "You want to know what the most annoying sound in the world is? This is it." Oh my God. Yes, pray for protection. When they don't even know what the noise is, that's when it really is interesting. You ever watch people do Periscope? It's really funny. They just sit there and read the comments and just stare at the screen and then respond. It's quite interesting. Yeah, fingernails on a chalkboard. I want to see how your endurance is. How long can you watch this broadcast? Hey, and then somebody posted on one of my Facebook pages, probably the Underground, stuff from the meeting. It wasn't even me. Somebody else posted it on my site. Getting these emergency messages all day. Lance, don't post things on your site. I didn't post anything. As a rule, if you come from a foreign country to a prayer meeting in the U.S., you should wear a burqa over your head if you don't want to be photographed. Everybody has cameras. Come in a disguise. But we had people in the audience that didn't want to be videoed, so some of my tribe evidently videoed anyway, then posted it. Even when I try to behave myself, I get in trouble. Or if one of you guys gets me in trouble. That's the point. One of you did it. Anyway, anybody want something to drink? They're going to ask me for a drink in a minute. I'm not thirsty. I'll get something for you. Oh my gosh. The things I do for the cause. And I'm paying for this whole trip. It's like out of my own pocket. Not like I'm getting paid for this annoyance. Cranberry juice, scotch, Coke, ginger ale. How about a combo? We'll call it the Noise, a new drink. I think I'll just do, water. That sounds good. Water. Play it safe. I don't want to complicate this flight any more than it already is. Oh, a Cabernet. I have quite a drinking audience, don't I? That noise. Oh, I can't plug my ears because I can't find my headphones. I'm frantically trying to find headphones. You know, anything? But I thought I'd share this moment with you, my friends. Hi.
Would you like something to drink?
How about a water?
Okay. Would you like something?
And headphones.
I'm hoping it's a little less legal than it was for you.
Alright guys, there's not much else happening here. Nothing newsworthy. I can't seem to keep my hair down. It keeps on rising to the noise. I notice that my hair is responding to the noise. Wait. It's changed. Oh. Now it sounds like water. That's a new sound.
I know. That's not a good sound. I don't know what that sound is.
What's that sound?
That's not the usual sound.
A Freon system. It's a Freon system, which we don't need.
Oh yeah,
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. De-icing. Why would there be de-icing when there's no ice?
like not in a good way.
Well, anyway, finish the flush. No, they're not flushing the toilets. We haven't taken off yet.
Warm on the aircraft. If everybody could just reach up, open up your vents overhead, this will help cool off.
We're draining the swamps in D.C. I have a funny group. Yeah, somebody's flushing. This is Big Donald Trump is draining the swamp. Oh dear God. Way, Lord, protect us from the swamp creatures. Oh dear God. And salute. So